Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to replace the battery in a Vauxhall Opel or Buick key fob, covering several models from 2015 to 2021. It's a quick and simple job you can do right at home. No special tools needed, just a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. First, flip your key fob over and press the chrome-style button. While holding it down, slide out the physical key. Next, insert that key into the slot on the side of the fob and gently twist to separate the two halves. Once it pops apart, make sure the small circuit board stays in place. If it comes loose, carefully press it back in, then set that half aside. In the other half of the fob, you'll see the round battery in its holder. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out. Pay attention to the orientation, the positive side with the writing faces down. Take your new CR2032 battery and position it the same way as the old one. Positive side down. Press it gently into place until it clicks in. Now, bring the two halves of the key fob back together, making sure the circuit board is still seated properly. Press firmly around the edges until you hear them snap shut. Then slide the physical key back into place. Give it a quick test by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. If everything's working, you're all set. And that's it. You've just replaced your key fob battery in under 5 minutes. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to Carfixology for more DIY car maintenance tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.